All right, look what just came in. We want to thank you so much to Ancient Crunch for sending out 6 bags of their flavored tortilla chips. It's October, it's getting to be the holiday season, and what do we crave? Comfort food, but especially for myself who's trying to eat better and also how I feed my kids. You don't want all of the junk that's in food. And so one of the things that this company promotes is they don't use any seed oils in their chips, which are typically found in tortilla chips. So they're non-GMO. Some of the highlights here, they're gluten-free, again, vegetable oil-free, no seed oils whatsoever. And they just come with the most simple ingredients. Just when you eat regular tortilla chips, you feel sick afterwards because it has all the filler and just a lot of things that are not good for you. And so I just wanted to highlight some of the things that are in their products. So they have 6 different flavors, and what they've sent us is regular corn tortilla, white corn, blue corn, and then we'll skip over here. This is their habanero pepper flavor. We have their lime flavor, and then they finish it off with a good old churro flavor. So it's even like a dessert chip. And so just in their basic tortillas, listen to these ingredients. Organic corn, 100% grass-fed beef tallow, and sea salt. That's it. That's what you can find in all of their regular corn tortilla chips. And then even in the flavor one, all they're doing is adding chipotle chilies, habanero chilies, ancho chili, sea salt, onion, paprika. They're just adding spices to it, but none of the filler. And then the true test, let's go to the dessert, the churro. Organic corn, 100% grass-fed beef tallow, regenerative organic powdered sugar, royal cinnamon, and sea salt. So there's not ingredients that you can't pronounce, no chemicals. This is the best of the best that you can be putting into your body when you really want that good crunch. And so we thank you, Ancient Crunch, for sending these out. We can't wait to try them.